Hello and welcome. Please allow me to introduce you to my boss, my son, Ketan. He may act like he is 80, but he just turned 8. His name is derived from one of the oldest languages in the world, Sanskrit, 5,000-year-old language, which means pure gold. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know I've gone a bit far with this. I'll be your helper and you can take over.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kerala, God's own country, because that's how beautiful it is. I'm from Chennai and I miss my school, friends and teachers. Tamil is an old language and I love Tamil. யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளிர் ஈதும் நன்றும் பிறர் வாரா. A Tamil poet, Kanyan Poonkondranar, wrote this 3,000 years ago, which means I am a world citizen and everyone is my kith and kin. We are stuck here with my grandmother due to COVID. Let's cut through the chase. Today I'm going to cook for you Masala Dosa, South Indians' most favorite dish.
Dosa is my all-time favorite breakfast recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe.
For the dosa batter, I'm going to soak the rice and the dal separately. Half cup of idli rice and half cup of park boiled rice.
Wash both the rice a few times. Pour enough water and soak the rice for 3 hours. In another bowl, take quarter cup of urad dal. To this, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half teaspoon of chana dal. Wash the dal a couple of times. Pour enough water and soak it about 3 hours. Next, add quarter cup of poha. Pour enough water and soak it about 3 hours. Boil these ingredients. Soak. Let's address the elephant in the room to start with. Kathakali is a major form of classical Indian dance.
Kathakali is a story play genre of art. It took this gentleman you see 3 hours to elaborately apply his colorful makeup, costumes and face masks. Sadly, an endangered art.
Padmanabha Swami Temple, the richest temple in the world.
This temple is 10 miles from where we live, the wealthiest place of worship in the world. It is conservatively estimated that the value of the monumental items are close to 1.2 trillion rupees or 19 billion US dollars, or that's how much Facebook paid to get WhatsApp.
Kerala is the most literate state in India.
97% literacy against the country's average of 77%.
Elephant is a sacred animal, especially in South India.
It is traditionally considered a symbol of good luck, wisdom, power, and protection. So are cows. I personally think, which my son would heavily differ from, sacred cows make the best hamburgers.
India is one of the largest producers of rubber in the world.
Only after Thailand and Indonesia, Kerala produces 90% of rubber in India.
Please let me show you what my grandmother grows around our house.
number of plants and trees are grown around our house.
Now let's get back to cooking. Grind all soaked items together. Grind the batter until it becomes smooth.
Preview.
Add salt to the batter. Leave it in room temperature to ferment for 8 hours. Take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seed, quarter teaspoon of urad dal, add a few curry leaves, next add 1 large onion finely chopped, add 2 green chilies finely chopped, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add half teaspoon of salt, add boiled peeled potato to the mix. Mash the potatoes gently. Now let's start making the masala dosas. Spread the batter in a circular motion. You can add ghee or oil. I am adding ghee. When it is reddish brown, take the dosa and flip it over. Take a tablespoon of masala and place it on the dosa. Here it is, an absolutely delicious masala dosa. I implore you, give it a shot. You will not regret it. If you do, try again. Stay safe and stay healthy. And goodbye to all of you from Tiruvavanapuram.
No, Ketan, it is Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, India.
Tirunananthapuram, Kerala, India.
Hey, Ketan, you almost got it right this time, but it is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, how about we just forget it and just wave?
Okay, Appa, don't forget you're not the boss around here.